Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove saved items from Pinterest. So make sure that you updated the app. Let's go ahead and open up our Pinterest. And let's say for example you saved, the one of the photos. Let's say for example you saved that kind of a photo, alright? And once you click save right here and add it to your profile as a pin, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on save at the bottom right corner, and you're going to see right here recognized ideas or pins right here. You're going to be able to see it, and if you want to save that item, just go ahead and click on it, and just go ahead and click the three dots at the top right, and then just go ahead and click edit pin. And if you want to delete it, just go ahead and delete that pin, and once you delete it, this pin will be deleted for good. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.